Welcome to Pallister Gardens.
So this is Pallister Gardens. We have a couple different floor plans here. Right here we have the Kiplinger floor plan. This is a 2-bed, 2.5 bath with a private yard and private garage. This has the living level on the first floor and the bedrooms on the second floor. We have 4 of these in phase 1. These are all sold. We have 8 more of these coming in phase 2, which we're currently accepting reservations on.
Let's take a last look at our Kipling model. The new owners will be closing next week. This model has an assortment of standard and upgrade finishes. All these customizations allow you to make this model to your style and your preferences, though our standard packages are exceptionally beautiful just as they are, chosen by an interior designer. This Kipling model is giving you a sneak peek at what phase 2 is going to look like, being that it's bi-level and has a detached garage. All the units in phase 2 will have 2 bedrooms, each with an ensuite bathroom. And of course, you have your half bath in the living space, so no need for your guests to come up to your private quarters.
We are in the New Center area. We are 2 blocks away from Grand Boulevard, and we are 2 blocks away from the Lodge, 2 blocks away from Rosa Parks. So we are well located. There's so much happening in New Center, activation happening in the Fisher Building, all the great restaurants on the Woodward corridor up here by Grand Boulevard, and then along Grand Boulevard, fantastic restaurants, cocktail bars, coffee shops. There is a lot happening over here. So great location, great time to get into this neighborhood because Henry Ford has announced, along with Tom Gores and Michigan State University, a $2.5 billion investment in this neighborhood, which is going to see a lot of change. Dan Gilbert has also committed $375 million to a new institute at Henry Ford. A lot of investment coming into this neighborhood. The Motown Museum has a $50 million expansion project. So all this is within walking distance to where we are right here. The best value in town, in my opinion.
We have had a few homeowners already move in to the new development. Let's hear it from them.
Edie Kirkland.
I'm John Kirkland. What made us choose Pallister Gardens? So we chose Pallister Gardens because we wanted a new build in a great location. So we love that we're very close to New Center, Midtown, downtown. Also, we like their finish selections and the quality of materials. So we thought we're getting really good value for the purchase price as well.
Being one of the first people to buy a new development in New Center has been great. I've been able to meet new people. Everyone's pretty friendly. Things are walkable. I'm able to walk my dog and have good interactions, get something to eat, and then just get some exercise. So I've liked it. My favorite spots to go to as of currently are the Congregation, Orange Theory. I'm a member, so I go there often. And then what's the juice place that we go to? Beyond Juice.
Working with Todd was great. Very timely, friendly. It's probably his greatest quality. Great person. We can bug him at all times. He gets back very fast. So Todd was great to work with.
I would recommend the Lockwood House. The reason why is just because everyone's friendly, open to any questions. I can be picky or ask many questions. No one seemed like they were bothered.
So we're looking forward to football season. We can host tailgates in a very large backyard. You ready?